Hi, welcome to NDTV. This is Lata Srinivas, and today we have a very exciting Kannada star with us. He is the son of the godfather of Kannada cinema. He's made a name for himself over 40 years. He's called the king of sandalwood. Welcome to NDTV, Shivanna Shivraj Kumar.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Okay, my first question. Your movie 45 released, your 130th film. How do you feel that even today your fans love you 40 years in cinema and your movie is running houseful?
I don't know what to say about it because even after the span of 4 decades, 41st, if February comes, it will be the 41st year. I'm really blessed in that way because this film, 45, is a very special film for me. Out of this 129 films, the 130th film, there's a lot of difference. But this one, I play a role where everybody will get attracted because that is the way I am in my real life also. Somewhere they'll get connected with that also. When you see the film, you'll know why people like that character.
Right.
Because I'm very connected with my industry, my family, my friends, everybody. The way I behave, the same way I've behaved in this one. How I am. There's some good comical sequences there in 45. Then again, what do you say? Emotions are there. I'm a
Right.
very emotional person. Friends, everybody. And how I am, it is seen in the screen.
Right.
That is what I am. So this is a very special film for me. I feel so blessed. Why people still. Sometimes I think because 40 years is a very long this one. Because as a child actor, I was introduced very early.
Right, 1968.
75.
Okay.
75. Yeah, exactly.
68 was one film and
One film,
74
yeah.
was another.
film.
Yeah.
So that's why they say 50 years.
Yeah.
Because they take into account. Because after I became a hero, this is my 40th year. 40th
Right.
year, completing 40th year. So really, I'm blessed to be here for 40 years, and people still wants me to see me on the screen. That's the way I get the energy.
Right.
People ask me, what is your secret of your energy? Nothing else. The applause, the love and affection they give from the family, Geeta, my daughters Nivedita and Nirupama, my friends, working friends, my Chennai friends, my everybody. I mean, the people who works around me, my industry, my co-stars, all the heroes from Kannada industry, and all over India. Everybody, almost I know everybody in film industry in India.
Right.
So everybody, at least once in a while, I just talk to them also. So all the affection are there. So these things, keep me engaged, and where the energy comes is from the positive people. I move on.
Right. Okay. Last year, unfortunately, there was a sudden health scare and people were worried. But you yourself came out in the media and you said, don't worry, this is what it is. I'm fine. I'm taking treatment. Why did you feel you had to address it in public? Because most celebrities don't, they prefer to keep it under wraps.
One thing, all celebrities should have this in mind. Don't mistake me, because this is the way I think about life.
Right.
When we want something, when we want a film to be watched, we go in front of the camera, just asking, please watch my film for this sake, that sake. And you want to stardom, because today we are stars because of them.
Right.
We do film for this. It's just a business. But they don't expect it. They pay money and just watch our films. People, that's a trade. When they, when they give respect for that trade, so we have to respect them the same way. And this is not the only thing where only the success we should count.
Right.
Or what we are, what do you say, just telling about how fit we are, or how this one we are. That's not enough. If any problem comes, they should know.
Right.
When they come to the truth, so many people, they talk something and all. That we should not give the place for that.
Okay.
Just tell them, be honest. When you want everything from them, this one also we have. It's our duty, because today when they said, a lot of prayers came from. It's a very rare thing a person will get like that. I am honored in that way. So I mean, that much love and affection they showed on me. Today, if I am come back, family is there to take care of me.
Right.
But apart from that, there's something else. Industry is there. Many friends are there. But apart from that, how people, father told that I've seen God in Abhimani. That's why he calls Abhimani Devargadu. So whom should I go? Today, whatever we are, it's because of them. So at least we'll tell them what is wrong in it. Some feeling will be there, but feeling should be mutually distributed to everybody.
Right.
So that we'll have that, warmth and blessings from them also.
Right.
And today, whatever I am, It's because of them. So I felt like saying that.
Right. Your father, of course, the great Dr. Rajkumar, a cultural icon, the godfather of Kannada cinema, he's left a legacy that nobody, I think, can touch. You have, of course, done your bit to at least come close to that level. Apu, unfortunately, is no more, but he was very strong in that he never got into politics. Why do you think that is? That is very fascinating because in South, especially, all the stars who become big, like MGR and Jayalalitha, NTR, they always end up, they ended up getting into politics and becoming chief ministers.
Their outlook is different. But because father also was helping, nobody knew. He had a musical night. He used to do Dr. Rajkumar musical night is very popular. So he has done musical nights for many peoples who were in this one, police department,
Right.
and for schools, for opportunity schools, everything. He has helped in in different ways. He never used to take money. He used to do this one. They used to collect money and occupy for this one sports activities. Anything, he used to help. So it started from there.
Okay.
And whichever song he sings, devotional song, it goes to the trust.
Okay.
They help in that way. There's a source to help, not in a bigger way. At least a percentage of that people will be, because it should become a motivation to others. So that seeing our this one, when Rajkumar, many people are there who love Rajkumar, because of many people have started helping like that. It's the motivation he gets in. Then Puneet, that way,
Right.
and even we do.
Right.
So we need not have any power.
Right.
Okay. And we don't get money from others and put in.
Right.
Today Shakti Dhamma is running. It's only because of our money also. There are many many producers have helped. Many big people like Keni, everybody has helped in that way. And one person is there from Dubai, whose name is Ravi Khannan. He is in Hotlia.
Okay.
He does a lot of business there. He has helped. He has promised every year 50 lakhs he is giving for Shakti Dhamma. So this year, November, he announced. See, this is all love and affection we have gone. And at the same time, people should not think what Shivana is doing. Shakti Dhamma is done. It's started by my father and mother. What is he doing?
Right.
I mean, every year I see that at least 1% of amount, about 50 to 60 lakhs, from our this one we put in there.
Okay.
It should be because we have a promise to say about 210 female students are studying there.
Okay.
With shelter, food, education. We have started our own school.
Oh,
We give, everything is there. So my mother, father started this.
Right. Yeah.
It's almost 28 years since. Now Geeta is looking after from 2017, after my mother passed away. She became the head. My mother wanted her to be there.
Okay.
Let my big son's wife be in this one.
Right.
So Geeta came in. So from then onwards, we took over.
Right.
And we wanted to make it big. Now when she came, it became more bigger. And students got a lot of facilities. Because they should not be grounded.
Right.
It doesn't mean that we have started the what so-called. It's not exactly NGO, a sort of NGO. It doesn't mean that we have put them in a jail. They
Right.
should not feel.
Right.
Oh, it's a jail where we give food, give clothes. No, it's not like that. That's why we have allowed them to go to the college, other colleges, and how to take care of their behaviors also. We have a lot of classes, counseling classes are there.
Okay.
And she herself has started one company called Angels. So it's going to be starting from 2026. From 1 year she's been developing that.
Okay.
She's making them to learn baking, everything.
Oh, yeah.
So free.
Yeah.
And whatever the amount we collect, it will be going to them, to their
Okay.
account. Just like that.
Right.
So we want to make that they should not feel that after Shakti Dhamma, what else? There should be some skill works.
Right.
So it is like these works. You need a lot of heart. It's not power which takes.
Right.
It's the person's behavior which takes them to save the people, to help the people. So it doesn't mean that we go to politics. I mean, people from the government also have helped. Siddaramaiah sir has helped. And again, Bommai sir has helped. So when it's a big thing, we go in front of the government. But other things, power need not be. Not exactly the power can take everything.
Right. Right.
Humanity, one thing is a humanity which takes everybody to that goal.
Right. But interestingly, you are surrounded by politics because Geeta ma'am is, Dr. Bangarappa's, daughter. And of course, he was the Chief Minister of Karnataka. Her brothers are still very active in politics. So obviously, there is that, maybe hope or anticipation that Shivanna will join politics one day. Has that ever crossed your mind?
No, no, never. Even though I got offers, this one, no, I told no. My wife, because she wanted, because I should support my wife. What is my wife's ambition?
Right.
It doesn't mean that I can say no, don't come. Because our family doesn't like politics, doesn't mean that she should not like. Should not, because it is not that I'm discouraging a political family. Otherwise, I would not have married a political girl at all.
Right.
Okay, it's not that we hate politics.
Right.
We don't know. Might be for the system happening now, it doesn't allow. So she tried. Now also, actually after that, now again he also told the press that I'll work for the party, not for the.
Yeah.
I'm not going to contest anything.
Right.
So sometimes wishes will come like that because even she has got a lot of work. We have got a production company, Geeta Pictures. She's handling, and she has made her daughter a producer.
Yeah.
In Srimuthu, Nivedita also.
Yeah.
So a lot of work. We respect women's. In that
You
way.
believe that, in your own way you can contribute to society rather
Yes.
than join politics.
Yeah, there are a lot of things. Because now if we make one film, now I'm doing one film with my sister's son,
Okay.
Ram Kumar's son, that is my Purnima's son, Dhiren. We have started in our banner. And she did one film 2 years back with youngsters.
Right.
Again, we should be starting in 2026 with some youngsters. She wants to do from the youngsters because she wants to build up another parallel industry,
Right.
giving chances for the people who really got talents. And we also started with our Geeta Pictures. The third film. First film we did Veda,
Yeah.
then Bhairathiranagal. Now we're doing with Dhiren. So like that, now if one film we do, nearly about 130 families survives.
Yes. working on
Education,
the film.
food,
Yeah.
they get money. And again, after the release of the theatre, when it releases, many people are there who get money from that. PR, who works as PRO, who works as a representative, theatre representative.
Right.
So everybody get money.
Right. So one thing that I must ask you about is superstar Rajinikanth and your friendship, because you're going to be seen in Jailer too. He's always had a strong bond with your family, and of course, being from Bangalore himself. What is that relationship like? And this year has been 50 years of Rajinikanth. How has it been for you personally and your friendship?
No, always. No, I've seen Rajini uncle from when I was this much.
Okay.
So that connection is there. Almost I was 12, 13 years,
Right.
14 years. When we used to go, Sabarimala, he came with us.
Okay.
That friendship is there we have been seeing Rajinikanth from the struggling days. The way we used to like him, my God, some style is there. And suddenly we saw his film, he became a star, and we saw his growth, and phenomenal growth. And whatever he grows, he never had that in mind. He always kept it in the heart. That's why today he's called a superstar. He has God as a massive God. God of masses.
Yeah.
So a lot of things are there. And then we had jailer this one, Nelson.
Yes.
So I said, if it is Rajini sir, 100% would love. Because this is nothing. It's a thing that bridging between the two states, that genuine friendship.
Right.
And we have been from him. A lot of things we shared when we were doing the shooting. We shared a lot of things, how it was before, that family relationship. And all the matter, how he was with us during Veerappan's this one. And how he took care of my father when we was going for a walk with him. He had a strong bondage of friendship. So then, when Chiranjeevi sir. So my father was very close to Chiranjeevi sir, Rajini sir, then Kamal Hassan,
Yeah.
then Mohanlal sir. These are the people he was very close.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Speaking about politics, I must ask you, one question. Vijay, who's a big star in Tamil, is now coming into politics. What do you feel, as an actor who's seen both sides and who's lived through it?
I think he's got the stability. Something when I saw his interviews, first starting stages, it was very beautiful. Something amazing about studentship and what was his main aim, goal. That's rather, it was looking good. And I felt, because, okay, why not?
Right.
Everybody has got their own wish. Might be, he might do something good. But at the same time, because everybody is friends with me in Tamil Nadu.
Right.
Even I know Stalin sir also. Then I know his son
Uday.
Udaynidhi also.
Yeah.
We're all very close. But at the same time, even he's standing. But I don't say that he is better or he's better.
Right.
Because we got friends. I wish both of them all the best. It's just a game.
Right.
We can't know who comes or who doesn't come. But I wish him all the best and wish these people also all the best because we have been known for many years.
Right.
Okay. Personally, Stalin has been a very close friend of our family
Okay.
relationship.
Okay.
So a lot of things are there between them, between Udaynidhi Stalin and
Yeah.
and at the same time with Vijay sir.
Yeah.
And I wish him all the best. Only thing I say is, whatever you do it from your heart. My sincere request. I told, whatever you do, you think and do what I should, next step I should take. That's all. Otherwise, don't be in a hurry.
Right.
Immediate decisions. No? I just, as a brother, but don't feel bad that I'm ordering him. It's not an order. I'm requesting him so that he's a nice actor, nice human being.
Right.
I've seen the good qualities of that person. So I respect him. That's why on that respect I'm saying that whatever step you take it very calmly and without any tension. Be yourself. What I'm saying, Vijay sir, how he is on the sets, now he is on the family side. No? Be yourself. It doesn't mean that if you come to politics, you should be in a different rage. Be yourself. Be yourself. Be positive.
Right.
I think I wish him all the best for that.
Okay. Coming to your movies, you have a fantastic lineup. You're acting with Ram Charan. You have a biopic in Telugu again, and then you have some Tamil films. Of course, you're doing Jailer 2 as well, and you have some Kannada projects. Tell us a little bit about that.
Now Telugu with Ram Charan Singh, Peddi. And for me, another favorite actor, more than favorite actor, I can say is my favorite person.
Oh, Ram Charan.
Ram Charan. Heartily, I like him because the way he is on the sets, or I've seen him as a human, is a very good human, good-hearted, and the way he talks, I just love Ram Charan for that.
Okay.
And nice. That's why it's seen on the screen. That politeness and the truthness is seen. Whichever film I see, I just adore him.
Right.
Especially Triple R, he was amazing, phenomenally good. And today, globally, he has been a very big star.
Right.
So, acting, when he said, he said, Anna, you have to do. And Buchi Babu,
Yeah.
the way he did Upena for the first film.
Yeah.
And totally something special about Buchi Babu. When he came and told the script, I just loved. I said, I don't want to miss.
Okay.
Okay, not that after 40 years, not that I'm going to come and rule or anything. No, it's not like that. It's only a true bondage, friendship, where at least some people will recognize me in a different way.
Right.
A different character it is, a special character. So that is there. Jailer 2 is happening.
Yeah.
And apart from that, now 45 released. Mostly Feb 19th, we are planning for Dad. One film I'm doing, Dad. Dad, that sounds very, very special. Dad,
Yeah.
that title. Everybody loves that Dad.
Right.
That's why I said in the caption, I said, please keep this as a caption.
Yeah.
I love my dad.
Yeah.
I love my dad.
Yeah.
I'm glad I'm dad.
Okay. Very
Okay.
nice.
Everybody becomes dad.
Yeah.
So this story evolves like that.
Okay.
That's a very beautiful concept. Very beautiful, cute film. After a long time, I'm doing a very, without any stubble, anything like
Okay.
that. Very neat look.
Right.
Neat shaven look. After long. So I feel that this film will have a different approach.
Okay.
And coming back, I'm doing Bail. Pavanadia is doing the film. Even that film is good. Bail, you can know what is
Yeah,
Bail.
yeah, correct.
Against system,
Yeah.
for the system. A very unique characterization of Bail. And everything is going well. And again, a biopic of Gumdi Narsaya. That person is a very phenomenal person because I felt when I met him personally, I felt I saw my father in him. Because he is a person who lives for others, not for himself. Even his family people, everybody supports for that. Everybody has gone into their own step with their own hard work. Even though small support system is there, but with their interest towards their father.
Right.
So sacrifices not only from Gumdi's side, Gumdi Nasai Garu, even sacrifice from the family, that's phenomenal. That's why he's called as that person. He won 5 times. All individually, independent. Some good power is there, he works for poor. That character attracted me very well. When this offer came, I was really surprised. Why me? And Dad was saying, waiting for 3 years.
Oh.
So I'm blessed too. I'm where I say I'm very popular here.
Hmm.
I can't leave this place, but still, if they want to do, all my people are happy that I'm doing one biopic like
Telugu
this.
cinema.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it happened like now, right now, and one more film from our Geeta Pictures is A for Anand.
Okay.
Even that's an interesting film. With kids, I'm doing a lot
Oh,
of children's.
lovely. Hmm.
It'll be like a children film and an emotional film.
Right.
Our education system. Srini, who directed Ghost for me.
Okay.
So I'm doing that.
Okay. So the choice of scripts has been very interesting in the last, I think, decade. You've done very diverse genres, diverse kind of roles, and you've moved to other states. You're doing other languages. You seem to have become very, very active, in cinema in the last decade. Is it exciting for you because now you're able to spread your wings?
100%. I'm very excited so that I can discover many things. Discover their culture, their behaviors, and everywhere is the same because we're all Indians.
Right.
At last, no,
Yeah.
whatever, wherever you turn and come, we are Indians. So that bondage is there. Very lovely being like this, and I'm so happy that at the age of 63 also the people keep me so active, and I'm blessed. I hope the same energy carries out throughout.
We also have Geeta ma'am joining us. Thank you, Geeta ma'am, for joining ADTV and Shivana on the show. 40 years of marriage, how has it been for both of you? I mean, you've been involved in politics, you've raised two beautiful children, and of course, seen a lot of his success. You've also got your own ventures.
Yeah.
How has it been for you?
Very good actually. When I look back, I like everything what we have done, what he has done for us, everything, and my in-laws, my parents,
Right.
everybody.
What do you like most about your in-laws, such renowned people in the Kannada film industry and otherwise?
Yes, both of them, we love everything in them. Everything. My father-in-law, very soft-spoken, and the simplicity. And Amma also was very simple, but she was very bold.
Okay.
She was very bold. She did so many movies. 96,
96.
76
Yeah,
or
96.
yeah. And she produced so many. Coming from village,
Right.
she had studied 10th standard, and she had so much of power to do everything.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
both of them. Everything
And
will-
you, of course, have been very supportive in his journey. He has been very supportive in your political journey. You campaigned for the JDS in 2014 and then subsequently for the Congress. And he was there by your side. What was your interest in politics? Where does it come from? Because of your father, Dr. Bangarappa, or otherwise?
Yeah. Actually, I never knew that I would come to politics at all. And till now also I'm scared of the speech and the stage and all those things. And my mom wanted to be with my younger brother after my father left us. So we just got in, both of us.
And you campaigned for her. How was that experience for you since you're not full time into politics?
It was a new thing, I was able to go new concurrent to the place, in the particular place, Shimoga. Small villages, small peoples who were really in difficulty or different shades of people. And everybody knows wherever we go that affection they show on us, getting coffee, tea, or getting some snacks, anything like that. It was phenomenal. So it was an opportunity for me to meet all the peoples.
Okay, and your fans also, I'm sure.
Yes, at the same time, both are there. But apart from that, these things, going to a very smallest place where sometimes even that electricity is not there. Such places, it was so beautiful to watch them, to see the difficulty. And main thing was why I wanted her to be there. Something what we can do, we
Right.
thought. Otherwise, it's ultimately politics means power. How the people carry it, it happens like that.
Right.
And there's no hassles. We stood, but we couldn't. Otherwise, nothing. Never mind. At least some people were there who wanted to recognize, and they recognized her.
Right.
So I was very happy for her.
Okay. Was there any advice that your father gave you, or something that you've seen through his political life that you applied?
No, nothing.
Okay.
No, I didn't know that I would come into politics. By then, my father left us.
Okay.
So then my mom said, and my brother, everybody, then I thought, okay.
Okay. But did you find it, how was it for you? Did you find it difficult or was it a good experience for you or did you have new learnings?
Huh. I met lot of my father's friends.
Oh,
Yes,
okay.
lot of them, and I went to their house. And campaigning was like going to each and every village. And some village they used to tell me, your father stayed in this house, he liked this food, like that.
Oh, okay.
So it was wonderful to know him and the people also. And more than anything, the nature is so beautiful. I'd never gone. So I went there where I'd never been there before. Yeah.
Shivamoga. And for you personally, you like with his journey, you travel with him, you go to different cities. A lot of film stars are his friends, and you also, I'm sure, know them. Have you also developed your own friendships in the film industry?
Yeah, I have lot of friends, and actually it's been very nice. Very nice, yeah.
Okay. And you're in production, your daughter's in production now.
My daughter has just finished one movie. She's hearing the script.
Web
They
series,
both
she has done web
decide.
series
Yeah.
and
3 web series she's done.
Oh, really?
We got her step by step. First she did an
Serial.
serial,
Right.
then she did this, and now she has done one movie. She's hearing the script.
Okay.
And me, actually I can't say me, we both. We have done 3 movies.
Right. But do you enjoy the film industry world as well?
Lots.
Lots.
I like it, yeah.
And you are an excellent chef. You love to bake and, cook. Is that also some venture you have planned or?
Yeah. Actually, Shakti Dhamma, where we look after about 200 children are there, girls, all girls. For them, I have opened a company called Angels. So whatever comes in, that goes to them. And everybody thought that we are making a bakery or something. No, we are not. We have done a lot.
Okay.
Like we make everything, and I've trained 15 girls. They've just gone out of the school. Another 17 girls I'm training now.
So essentially, you're giving them an education and life skills to make their own life. Okay. So what is next for you in 2026? What are you both looking forward to?
launch of Angels.
Okay.
Because we've been trying from 1 year last year because I was not feeling well.
Right.
So she was with me throughout. And now also she goes and comes. And
Right.
sometimes even I do join her.
Right.
Many times I join her because I have to be, for a moral support, I'll be.
Right.
Most of the time.
Most of the time. Because she shares everything. This thing happened, what to do, what next, what is your suggestion. And I don't know, and almost she's also very clever in that way. What suggestion? She always talks very boldly and she's very bold in that way.
Okay.
The only thing is 2026 we are starting with my A for Anand, our favorite film.
Okay.
Yeah, start that one is there. And my daughter is yet to start one new film.
Oh, brilliant.
A lot of things are there.
Okay.
So everything should happen, touch wood. Everything
It'll
should go
happen.
well.
So, any wish for your fans for 2026?
There's a surprise, I think. After I finish everything, I'm signing that, they'll be knowing.
Okay. And, ma'am, what about your wish for 2026?
I want to start working with Angels, and we are doing a travel show.
Okay.
That's been my dream for 2 years now.
Okay.
Everything is ready. I think Geo will start with it.
Okay.
Like we'll be traveling from one place to another one, and the cooking, the heritage
Oh,
places,
very nice. Very
and all
nice.
that we are
So, both of you are following your passions.
Next year, because that should sound with what I told about it just now. After everything is open, because that's a very thing nobody has done in India, I feel. That sort of work. So we are planning like that for the Abhima fans.
Okay.
What else, what gratitude I can do, I don't know.
Right.
But I think this gratitude will be very good for them.
Yeah.
Malya hospitals like the
VHS.
VHS now, both here and the
Whitefield.
Whitefield. He's going to be the brand ambassador for it.
Oh,
Yeah.
congratulations.
And Srinivas is the cardiologist there for him.
Right.
And my parents went there, we went there, all of us go
Right.
there actually.
Right.
And since he didn't take the remuneration, they are giving our fans about discount in everything, 20%, 30%, like
Okay,
that.
okay.
So
like that.
Oh, that's a great news for your
Nobody has
fans.
done so.
Yeah.
At least this thing, it will
Health
should
is
help.
important. Health is
Helping is there always from
No,
our
no,
side.
health.
For this health,
Yeah.
at least when you go to the hospital, that percentage of what they get, it's very.
That's good. That's good. Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am and Shivanna, for speaking to NDTV. It's been wonderful and wishing you both a wonderful 2026. Thank you so much.
you.
Thank you.